On this episode of Bass to Billfish, Peter Miller is in Amelia Island, Florida with guests Andy Holland and his friend Sandy Kirby.
Oh! He just took off!
Both are avid fishermen and fans of the show.
Bass fishing on Bass to Billfish.
With help from pro fishing guide T.D. Lacoste, Peter is hoping to put Team Calamity on some fishing insanity. Florida, the fishing capital of the world. With over 2,000 miles of pristine shoreline, join three-time World Sailfish Championship winner and pro angler Peter Miller as he takes these lucky winners on a once-in-a-lifetime fishing adventure. From freshwater to saltwater, ocean to Everglades, come join us for a fishing experience like no other. This is Florida's Bass to Billfish with Peter Miller, presented by Yellowfin. And by Visit Florida. Unleash your Florida side.
My name is Sandy and Captain Andy. Andy
Bass
Holland,
fishing man.
the bass fishing man.
Ever.
When we first started the Bass to Billfish show, we started getting a lot of videos, but one that stood out was from Sandy and Andy.
Can we have an invite to come be on your show?
Please.
Please, Peter Miller.
Please, my man.
Andy was different than any of the other applicants. He has Down syndrome and he loves to fish, and you just tell that fishing with him was going to be incredible.
Call now. Thank you,
Please.
Peter Miller. Please. Bye, Peter.
Bye.
For this episode, the folks at the Omni Amelia Island Plantation were kind enough to host us, and I had Sandy and Andy come into the hotel, and I was going to meet them in the lobby.
Well, Peter Miller and Madison.
We were very excited about seeing them and meeting them for the first time, weren't we, Andy?
Yes.
What's going on? Good to meet
Hey,
you.
Madison. What's up?
He came up and gave me one of the most heartfelt hugs that I've ever had. Sandy, bring it in. Come on.
Yo,
How you doing?
Do they look just like they do on TV?
Yeah.
Even more handsome, you think?
Yes. Cool hair.
Your hair is looking sharp, buddy. I
Yeah.
heard you just got a haircut prior to this
Yeah.
shoot. It's looking good, man. Look out.
Hello.
It was a great way to start with that kind of feeling. I knew it was going to be a great show. Hey, do you guys want to go have some dinner and do some talk
Yes,
about
sir.
fishing?
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, Calamity, let's go.
Yeah.
When we fish a lot together, my teammate likes to get hung up on oyster shells, shrubs, and Andy has been Calamity Andy. And because he always goes fishing with me, it turned into Team
Yeah.
Calamity,
Yeah.
right? That's right.
You like those
Y'all are
lights?
great.
Hey, whoa.
Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go out this way. You're too kind. The food at Sliders was very good. You like grouper?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Grouper's good.
All about choices in life, isn't it, Andy?
Yeah.
But I wound up having grilled shrimp. Looking good, huh?
Yeah, my man.
Andy actually stole a couple of mine.
Not eating bass.
Yours is best?
Yeah.
But we had a nice night, and it was time to go back, get some rest, because we had a lot planned for the next few days. When planning these shows, you have to do a lot of research within the area and find out what kind of fish you can target. Luckily, at the Omni Amelia Island Plantation here, they have bass fishing on the premises. We got the golf cart. Madison's there with the 3 rods. We have our tackle bag. We're gonna go for some bass. We jumped in golf carts and we went down to the golf course to go fishing.
You know, you get to walk down, you know, the whole bank, and of course it's on a golf course, so it's just beautiful surroundings.
He's fishing over there in the big lake. TD and Terry Lacoste are well-known fishermen up here in Amelia Island, and they were our guides. This is Terry.
Good to see you.
You.
And TD is his son. He's actually been fishing these lakes since he was a kid.
Oh, how fun.
Yeah, these guys know where to fish. Cool. We'll do this for a few hours, and then we're gonna head out with TD on my boat.
Your dream is coming true again.
Yeah, now.
You know, we were just kind of making our way around, casting, you know, down the bank and working different areas. I think Andy was actually with Peter.
I think you might have a bite.
Madison.
You got the first fish of the trip. Swing him over, Andy.
Oh, thank
Swing him in.
goodness.
First fish.
Yeah.
Woo! The level of enthusiasm with Andy is through the roof.
Madison.
Great job, bud! Andy always catches the first fish.
Yep.
Everybody's jealous.
Yeah, oh, most.
I'm most jealous, that's right.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, first bass.
Andy, that's right, we're on the board. When you take somebody fishing and you get that level of excitement, it's the best feeling in the world.
Yeah, man.
Andy Holland.
Yeah.
Shortly after Andy's bass, Sandy caught one. Sandy's got one, Andy.
Good job.
Well, Sandy, you must have good retrieve on that rod.
They were right on the bait, bam.
Nice
Nice.
one. Good job.
I think I caught the biggest one.
No, me bigger ones.
Excuse me, of course you did.
Oh, it's a good one, Andy. Nice. The fish were just biting like one after another.
It's Big Bubba!
Hey!
Yeah!
They're getting bigger.
Two best bass.
It's not a bad morning.
Yeah, man.
You guys just put the first name in our show right there.
There you go.
Bass! Yay, bass!
Coming up next on Bass to Billfish.
Good golly, the bite's on.
Oh my goodness!
Another nice trout. I gotta be honest, I'm a little scared of horses.
Oh, yeah.
Bass to Billfish with Peter Miller is brought to you by Visit Florida. Your Florida side is calling. Go to visitflorida.com. Pep Boys does everything for less. Bass Pro Shops. Your adventure starts here. Ray Marine, world leaders in marine electronics. Peter is in Amelia Island, Florida with guests Andy and Sandy.
Nice.
After a morning of fishing on the back nine, Peter decides to take his landlubbers on an inshore excursion. With guide T.D. Lacoste, Peter is hoping to put Andy and Sandy on a variety of species.
Well, we're headed out fishing and we went down to Fernandina Beach Marina where I had my 24-foot yellowfin. Andy! This is your boat for the day. We were real anxious to get out in the bay fishing. There was a little nor'easter that had come through and it was blowing, but that doesn't stop fishermen. All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
We headed out into the bay. We went up this canal and we were casting live shrimp under corks and we were letting them drift with the current.
Oh, yes.
You got one? I think you still got him, Andy. I think you still got him.
You got him, you got him.
Look at him.
Rod tip up.
Come on, Andy.
Oh, all right, back up.
There you go.
Oh!
He just has this overwhelming happiness about him. And it's really a breath of fresh air. Every fish he's just so excited about.
That's a baby trout. Look at that. Look at the size of the hook in that trout's face. Nice, Andy.
Keep it.
No, he's too small to keep, but we can throw him back.
Wait.
There's nothing like fishing. Nothing. I want to fish every day for the rest of my life.
Sandy, what do you got? That's a nice trout.
Oh man, look at him, Andy.
That was a good one.
Isn't that great?
He's a heavy lifter. I think you might be eating this for dinner tonight, Andy.
Andy, look.
Sweet.
Good golly, the bite's on.
No, you don't have a fish.
Dude, that's another nice trout.
Oh my goodness.
Another nice trout.
Yeah, McKinney.
He wound up winding in a really nice, solid speckled trout. And Andy goes absolutely through the roof with the excitement level.
Oh, hey, hey.
Careful,
Stop
careful,
it.
careful.
Andy has to kiss the first fish he
Well,
catches.
not on the mouth.
He truly got excited over every single fish we caught.
That is great.
That big supper tonight.
You caught supper tonight?
You know, Andy, you can just hold it here. He's no way, man. Full grab. Because he's cold, you got a towel around him?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you say we put him in the cooler?
I
And we'll
am.
call it a day and go back to the hotel.
Good day.
Awesome, man. Good job.
Good day.
Coming up next on Bass to Billfish.
I gotta be honest, I'm a little scared of horses.
Whoa, Andy.
Uh-oh.
Don't let him under the boat.
I think we lost it.
Yes, eh?
Me?
Yeah, you go.
Bass to Billfish with Peter Miller is brought to you by Yellowfin, choice of champions. Mercury, #1 on the water. Mazda, Zoom Zoom. Gaff Magazine, your coastal lifestyle, angling, and destination publication. Closed captioning for Bass to Billfish has been provided by fishingcapital.com. Peter Miller and his guests Andy and Sande have traveled to the Omni Amelia Island Plantation in search of largemouth bass and inshore game fish. After catching bass and trout inshore, Peter is ready to put Andy and Sande on their first redfish.
Here at the Omni Amelia Island Plantation, they have a phenomenal buffet breakfast. Look at this buffet. We all met down there the following morning, and I had a couple of gifts for Andy and Sande. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Peter Miller.
Our clothing sponsor, Fish Hard Gear, gave them a few sets of clothes to kind of get them geared up. Got some surf shorts.
Oh, yeah, good. I love that.
Sande, we have yours as well.
Thank you, Pete.
Absolutely.
There's one other thing. I got you guys each Bass Pro Shops
Hey,
gift cards.
Oh my goodness.
You may have two now.
Yeah?
Yeah, in my wallet.
He is carrying it.
250, huh?
250 hundreds.
Yeah,
Andy, do you know how much money this is?
yeah,
How much?
too much.
Too much.
How excited are we about going shopping at Bass Pro Shops?
To be happy.
Perfect.
How about
Yeah.
that?
The activity for this show was very, very unique. It was horseback riding, and I gotta be honest, I'm a little scared of horses. Did you bring that?
Yes,
Oh my God, you know what you're doing. Are you gonna show me how to do this stuff?
yeah.
He met the young, beautiful girl who took us horseback riding,
Yeah.
and her name was Missy.
Missy, hi Missy.
Hot Missy.
How you doing? I'm Peter.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
There's
too.
my Missy.
I had a feeling when I saw her. Missy from State Country Ranch brought horses to the beach here in Amelia Island. He was excited about it. Sandy's done it. Madison's done it. So everyone's kind of very experienced.
I've actually ridden horses quite a bit. I spent a lot of time in the summers when I was younger horseback riding with my family.
You tell me which one goes better with me, the black or the beige? Where's the size go? It says double, that's the 2X's. Does that mean I have a giant cranium?
Oh, whoa,
Doesn't
wait.
fit. I guess maybe this way like a...
Hey, man, stop that!
Dude, it doesn't fit.
You're back.
I'm like a
Dude, come
orange on a
on.
pencil. I had a feeling that was about to happen.
No, sorry.
Let's mount up.
Man up.
Come on, Sandy, how cool is this?
I'm loving
This
it.
is so cool. Andy had a tough time restraining himself. I think he just wanted to take off full speed cowboy movie.
Squeeze your legs.
what?
Squeeze.
What?
Nope, don't
Oh,
kick. Squeeze.
oh, oh.
There you go. Not everybody wants to trot.
I do.
I know, but you're making everybody else trot.
Oh, oh.
And every time his horse started going, my horse wanted to kind of stay with his.
There you go, Peter.
Yeah.
I've been holding on to that horn.
When I'd start running after his horse,
Okay, pull back.
Oh, oh, oh. Hello there.
Andy was a trip. He was really trying to get that horse going.
Good job. High five. Oh,
Well, after we finished riding, we got back to the parking lot and Andy jumped right in and he grabbed the saddles, he was laying them up there. And towards the end of that, he said, you know what, Missy, you're gonna be my wife. Oh,
do I get to go fishing tomorrow?
No, make out. Oh, yeah.
he was just really excited from the whole horseback riding experience. He jumped on Madison and clung onto him like a baby Bjorn and gave him a big hug. Andy's very affectionate, very sweet, and it makes him very, very special. He's a great kid. All right, we set Andy?
Yeah.
Well, after we finished riding, we headed out of Fernandina Beach Marina, and it was time to go back out to the bay. You know what? I better let you drive because I'll be going, which way do I go the whole time? Our guide, TD, told us that there's about a 7-foot swing of tide here. So TD, what are we gonna be doing here?
So we just kind of, you don't have to be right on the grass. Between the boat and the grass is fine.
Uh-huh.
There's been a lot of nice speckled trout, some big redfish.
Okay. We cast out our corks with live shrimp. Andy decided to put it in the rod holder, and most people know that Rodney rod holder does a really good job.
Whoa, Andy.
Is he gone?
Go, get it real fast. Go fast as you can.
Come on, Andy.
Keep going.
Hey, Andy, looks like a
Whoa.
decent one. What do you got, Andy?
Oh, my goodness.
Nice one, Andy.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, you always catch the first one, Andy.
Andy, you did that yesterday too. Shortly after that, everybody got into the zone, and it was fish after fish. Oh, bluefish. Watch out, he's got really sharp teeth, Andy. Nice one.
Good job. Woo!
Swing him in, Andy. I'm gonna see if we can do it.
All right.
We knew you could do it, Andy. We knew you could get him in the boat.
Coming up next on Bass to Billfish.
All of a sudden, Sandy gets a bite, and we knew it was a much better fish.
Listen to him. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Bass to Billfish with Peter Miller is brought to you by Amelia Island. Come make memories. Fish Hard Gear, official apparel provider of Bass to Billfish and Peter Miller. Rodan, precision GPS-guided trolling motors. FWC, there's only one season in Florida, fishing season. Peter Miller and his guests Andy and Sandy have been fishing the inshore waters of Amelia Island.
Oh my goodness.
Nice one, Andy.
The group has already landed several keeper trout, and guide TD Lacoste is ready to put them on massive redfish. That is, if Andy could just put the net down.
We're catching trout after trout after trout, all healthy, really nice fish. And Andy, he wants to net every fish.
Net!
Oh, net.
Unfortunately, his net was always about 6 inches out of the water. Get down low, this is a keeper trout. There you go, I'm gonna slide him right into your head first. So I would actually swing the fish out of the water kind of into his net.
Got him?
That's a keeper.
Andy, I think, found his calling to be the fish netter. He was really into it.
Andy, help me out here, buddy.
With a little baby net,
No,
or was
big
it?
net.
It was a big net.
Yeah.
Woo, nice one. You wanna catch one now, or you like netting? You like both, right?
Net.
Madison winds up catching a really healthy trout. You
You
net
know
it
when
for me,
not
Andy?
busy.
Yeah, where's that net, Andy? You'd be the official netter. Madison slid the fish towards the net, and Andy kind of missed it and bumped it.
Got it?
Got it. Oh, no. Pull harder.
Uh-oh.
Don't let
No,
him
no.
under the boat.
I think we lost it.
Go!
Oh, shucks.
Madison!
Me?
There you go!
Out of pure instinct, I had to look at him and say, I didn't do it. You missed the net.
No!
What?
Madison! Good
Madison.
boy, hey!
Oh, no, Madison. Andy, can you teach Madison how to
Tough
fish,
crew.
please?
Tough crowd here.
All of a sudden, Sandy gets a bite, and she was screaming.
Oh! You just took off.
Yeah, that's a better fish, Sandy.
Yes.
Probably squealed like a monkey.
Oh!
I was so excited.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, that's a redfish.
This is fun.
Awesome!
Nice one, Sandy. She was giving it all she had. I mean, she's pulling up, whining full speed.
No!
Oh, this is too much fun. I don't want it to end. Oh.
It was just perfect. I was so excited.
Oh,
Oh, damn!
nice
baby.
redfish.
Oh my goodness.
Watch that head, get that head in there.
Goodness.
Nice
Oh
job!
What did I act like, Andy, when I was screaming? Ah! Did I
Yeah.
squeal bad? And I was probably doing some dancing.
Awesome!
Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
That's a nice one, guys.
Oh.
Both of them, their level of excitement with everything we did was through the roof.
This is my first redfish in my whole
No way.
life. My whole life.
Awesome!
Oh my goodness.
She was so excited, she did not even realize that we had another redfish on that was Andy's first redfish.
Holy cow, the bite's on!
Another red.
He gets his into the boat, but the funny thing was, she didn't even realize that he even had one because she was in her happy place.
Who got that one?
Andy got that one.
We had a couple of really nice redfish in the cooler. We have so many fish in there right now, we could actually take those back and bring them to the restaurant, that restaurant we talked about, Play, and have them cook it for us tonight. What do you think? You want to do it?
Yeah!
We got back to the dock after amazing fishing, and we were invited to have dinner at a restaurant called Play, which stands for People Laughing and Eating. Hey, how you doing? I'm Peter.
Hey Peter, I'm Brett.
Hey Brad, nice to meet you. The owner, Brett, invited us over. A friend of mine, Kerry Chen, the artist, he made this new wine. So I said, you know, let's bring it with us up to Amelia and maybe have it with dinner one night. We met up with Chef Robert. How you doing, Robert? Nice to meet you, pleasure. Thanks for having us. And we wound up going into the kitchen and seeing how they prepared the fish.
I can definitely tell the difference between a trout and a red's here too, you know. Trout's smaller, red's a little more bigger and denser, so I might actually prepare this fish in 2 different ways, you know.
And had one of the finest meals that I've ever had. I mean, everyone was just blown away by the food.
Absolutely.
No.
And this looks too good to eat. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
And then we capped the entire night off with a bottle of Moet Chandon champagne. Amazing desserts, and we all made a nice toast at the end of a great, great trip.
Cheers.
When you meet somebody like Andy, it changes your perspective on life.
Bass to Billfish has been wonderful to us, and I don't think you'll ever know how much it meant to us.
Yep.
He just brings such a positive energy to everyone around him and everything he does. It's a real treat, it's a reward, and it's an honor to fish with somebody like him.
The other night, before he went to bed, he called me, and do you remember what you said to me?
What?
Sandy, my dreams have come true.
Yep.
And he was crying. And of course, you know, Bass to Billfish did that. That's how happy he is.
Go to BassToBillfish.com and find out how you can audition to become the next guest on Bass to Billfish. The Bass to Billfish mobile app is here. Go to BassToBillfish.com to get your free app today.